Do you know which rotary drilling rig is the largest in the world? Is it Bauer or SUNWARD? Neither is true. The correct answer is XR1600E, developed by XCMG. XR1600E rotary drilling rig has set a number of new world records with a maximum drilling diameter of 7.5 meters and maximum drilling depth of 190 meters, breaking the previous world record for a maximum drilling diameter of 4.5 meters and maximum drilling depth of 150 meters. XR1600E rotary drilling rig is involved in the construction of Seaholman Public Railway Bridge. With the specially customized Unidrill caliber, XR1600E rotary drilling rig is fully capable of meeting the challenge in this complex marine environment. The completion of Seaholman Public Railway project will directly fill the blank of Zhoushan without railroad.